Hey everybody, thanks for watching. Give us a thumbs up, subscribe, ring the bell. We don't miss any of our upcoming videos. We're back out here at the farm auction site where Rebel Auction's gonna have the farm auction this Saturday, January the 26th. Let's go check out what's come in since the last video. Here's your Massey Ferguson 540 combine. Little livestock trailer. An older big livestock trailer. Let's go check these tractors out. Here's 4440. 4960. And 6030. Four-door F350. Small Goose. Two mowers. Fuel tank. Trailer. There's two steel fuel tanks. Minerals. Three-point tedder. Alright, here goes a TG305. Here goes a Challenger. Yeah. Some trailers, a DS, 253 Ferguson, another 140. Looks like it's got new shoes on the back. There you go, Farm On.
Imagine that.
There's some of y'all guys, some logging equipment there. There's a SPX 3185. That's for PA Farms there. He loves the sprayers. Let's climb up in there and check this thing out. I ain't never been in one of them. Just told my son it would take us about 20 minutes to spray all of our nitrogen with this. Pretty nice setup though. Tobacco trailers. Here's a New Holland TN 60 DA. Easy looking at one of the glass, the doors is missing. Little bathroom. A Ford 5000. A generator, I believe. Rainbow Manufacturing. Shop heater. Oil furnace. If 2019 is as wet of a year as 2018 was, I found what's going to be the hot item at this sale, y'all. A pontoon boat. Yes, if this year's as wet as last year, this boat will probably be the most expensive thing at this sale. There's a cotton trailer. Looks like they've been using it for square bales of hay, maybe. There's so much stuff here, y'all, to try to show you. I'm just trying to show you what we haven't showed yet. Corral panels. A roller. Spool of cable. Looks like 1-inch cable. Side cutter. Another fuel tank. Hog feeder. Yamaha 4-wheeler. Some rough cut lumber. Looks like 2x8s, 2x6s, and 2x4s, what it looks like. Here's a 830 John Deere. Bar rake or sidewinder rake. Another trailer. Chevrolet truck. GMC. Case 2500 Nicola Teal. I know I'm probably saying that wrong. International Cub. Bush hog side cutter. Maxi Merge 2. sprayer. Got two buggies out here. And there's got 3 rows of seats. This one's got 2 rows of seats. A 10-wheel V-rake. What that is, I have no idea, but I'll show it to you. There's something else. Another trailer with them pumps on it. John Deere 6000. $7,800 John Deere. There's a John Deere 1530. Here's a New Holland 648 round beller. Alright guys, I appreciate y'all coming along and checking out the equipment with us. Look forward to seeing some of y'all at the sale this Saturday. If you want to check them out online, it's rebelauction.net. Y'all guys have a good one. Thanks for watching.